Hello students, welcome back to the class. So today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 10, and our topic is Internet, a global network. So in this chapter we are going to learn about internets, some different network systems, and also some key points which are related to internet. So let's begin. First of all, what is internet? When more than one computers are connected to each other and it is forming a network and using internet, that is said to be network system, and they can share messages, informations, and they can connect. So we are going to learn about types of networks. So these computers can be connected through cables and that can be also wireless. The following networks are the types of networks which are based on some geographical area covered by these networks. So first we are going to learn about LAN. LAN means local area network. So by the name, it's simple that it covers a very limited area. That means it can be a laboratory, it can be school, it can be an office building. So the network which covers a very limited area, that is said to be local area network. Next is personal area network. So personal means which is related to a person. That means at our home we can connect a mobile phone to a computer to a printer, and all these devices are connected in a network. So that is said to be personal area network. Next is metropolitan area network, which is in short MAN. MAN actually covers up a large area than LAN. MAN means when two offices are connected to each other using the same network, or two buildings of an organization is connected to each other, that is said to be MAN. Next is WAN, wide area network. In WAN, more than one LANs are connected or MANs are connected. That means it covers up a wide geographical area. A WAN may be spread across cities, countries, and sometimes continents. So we can say that internet actually is an example of WAN. So these are four types of network systems. Next, we will come to the topic internet. Actually, the internet is a worldwide system where so many computers are connected to each other. They are using the same network or maybe different network, and they can be connected using internet. So without internet, we cannot think for a second nowadays. And uses of internet, that means when we are surfing something in the internet for some informations, when we are trying to connect to the people who are located in the other corner of the world, when we are trying to connect through mails, through social media, through video conferencing, meetings. So all these are done using internet. And also when we are conducting classes for school nowadays, that also is the usage of internet. So without internet, it is nowadays impossible to connect. So also companies use the internet to advertise and sell their products. That is said to be e-commerce. That is also based on internet nowadays. And many processes, like when we are listening to music or playing video games online, these are also some examples of internet. Now we are paying bills, we are operating bank accounts in the internet, so booking some tickets. So all these are the example of internets. Now the history of internet. In 1969, in the US Department of Defense set up a network called ARPANET, which is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. So in this system, 4 computers were located in different places and they were connected to each other for sharing informations. That's how network or internet was introduced, and afterward the size gradually increased, and nowadays we are using in each and every places. Next is internet service provider. To get the internet, we have to collaborate with some organizations who provides internet to us. Actually, it is a company that provides internet to the users or customers. So what we do, we just create some account with that organization. They give us some user ID and password. We can log in with that and we can use their internet service. So it can be like 4 different types. cable internet connection, digital subscriber line, which is said to be DSL connection, satellite connection, and wireless connection, which is Wi-Fi. So all these 4 different types of internet system is provided by the company itself. So we have some examples of ISP like BSNL, Reliance, Airtel. So these are renowned ISPs which provides us internet connection at our home, offices, in different organizations. So these are said to be ISPs of India. Next we'll come to World Wide Web. So what is World Wide Web? Actually www. That is, in a simple description, it is collection of interconnected web pages where we can get the informations. Some interconnected web pages are there. They are based on actually client and server architecture. That means server means a computer where these web pages are saved, and if we user are asking for a web page by writing some query in our web browser, this request is sent to that web server and they provide us some informations after searching these. So here in a diagram it is explained that how an user is asking for a request and the server is giving the answer or serving the request. So when we are asking a question or a request, we are writing that query to our web browser and that request is sent to the server and the server provides us some answers to it, and also they provide us answers following some protocols or rules that is said to be HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So some terms which are related to www we are going to learn. First, web server. As I told, web server is a computer which stores some web pages. Collection of web pages are there in the web server. Web browser. Web browsers are some softwares where we can write our queries, we can search for our information, we can send our requests to the web server. These are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera and so on. We use that for surfing the internet. Next is web page. Web page is the basic element of www. It is made by using a language called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. The pages may contain text, images, audio, videos, and some links to other page. As I told, in www, all the web pages are connected to each other, so links should be there. And these links are said to be hyperlinks. These links are made by this language HTML. So that link can be a picture, can be a sentence or a word or a video, anything. When you will place your mouse pointer on that link, your mouse pointer will change to a shape of hand. And then when you will click on it, then you will move to the another page which is linked to the recent page. So that's how we can move on to different web pages. Next is website. This term is very much familiar to us. Website means it is the collection of web pages. The topic of those web pages will be similar. That means if we talk about our school website, that means in this website we can get the informations or queries about schools only. A location on the web server is called website. Homepage should be there for the website from where you can start searching, and the other pages are linked to that homepage. Next is URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Actually, URL is the address of a web page or any other resource on the World Wide Web. URL is having 3 parts. First is the protocol, that means which protocol it is following, and second part is the name of the server, that means the computer in which it is stored, and the third part is the actual path of the file. Here is an example that http www.computerhub.com and keys.html. Now in this URL, that keys.html is the file name which is located in the server named www.computerhub.com, and the protocol which is following is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Now sometimes one additional S is there, HTTPS. HTTPS means S stands for secure, means communication between you and your website will be secured. So next part is cloud storage. That means nowadays we know that when we are uploading something in the cloud space, we can access it through internet. There is no need to save it in physical memory always. It can be Google Drive, it can be any other cloud space. From our local computer, we can upload a file or a folder. Information or data will be stored in cloud space. Whenever we want to share that to people, that we can do using internet. You have to share the link of that file, not the actual file, and whenever you are updating it, you don't have to have a copy of it and then again you have to resend it. Not like that. If you have sent it once, then if you will upload it, then it will be automatically uploaded in your friend's site. That means when your friend will try to access that data, the updated version they can avail. So this is the usage of cloud storage. Here are some key points like file accessibility. That means whenever you want to access your files, you have internet access, you can use it. Shareability and collaboration. This is the thing that I have mentioned. That means if you are sharing a data and then afterward you are updating from your side, your friend will also be able to see that. Reliability. That means when you are having the data in the cloud space, it is secured, it is saved, it is having a backup of it. Reduce cost. Yes, buying a physical memory is a little bit costlier, and this option, cloud storage, is the cheaper one. Providers are Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive. So this is the next part of the video. Now I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive and how to upload files or folders and how to share it with the others. So from the beginning I'm coming back. That means I'm coming to my Google account. These are the options for Google Apps. Click on the Drive option. So this is the Drive, My Drive. And here if you want to upload a file or a folder, you have to click on New. And you will have these options. That means folder, you can upload a folder, you can upload a file, you can create Google Slides, you can create docs, you can create sheets. So if you want to create these things right now, then you can create. So I'm choosing file. So this is the picture that I'm going to choose and I'm selecting open. So now it is showing uploading one file. Yes, it has been uploaded. So this is my file which I have just now uploaded. Now you can open this file. You can click on these three buttons and then you will have this share option. Now click on that. Now yes. So it is asking for people or groups. And also what you can do, you can copy the link and then you can share that link through mail. Now if you want to select any Google account from here, you can select these Google accounts and then you can click on done. So what I am going to do, I am just going to copy this link for sharing. Copy link option. Okay, and here it is written change to anyone with the link. If you are sharing a link, you have to enable this option. Otherwise, that person will not be able to see the file. So what you have to do, you have to make it anyone with the link. You have to enable this option. And then you have to click done. Then any viewer who are having that link, they can go through the file. And I am going to share it through mails. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this account and yes, now come to Gmail, compose. So I am just pasting the link and then I can send it to my mail account. So from there I will see that I can access the file just by clicking on that link. So that's how we can share the files from Google Drive. We can upload files and that's how we can manage our files without having the physical memory using cloud space. So thank you. That's it for today. See you in the next class.